Wish we could start over, but we can't. I don't want to, I don't want to that. I don't want to, I don't want to that. I don't want to, I don't want to that. Wish we could start over, but we can't. I don't want to, I don't want to.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. So this is the part 2 of the DIY room decor series for fall. If you haven't watched the first video, then I'll link it in the description below. Go watch it, but first watch this one. So first I have cut out a rectangular piece of cloth from an old, actually very old pair of leggings. You can use any piece of cloth, but a velvety one works the best for the pumpkins. Then I am folding the cloth from the middle and I'm gonna sew the ends, just a regular hand sewing. Then I am tying a knot at any one of the ends with the help of 2 elastic bands. You can use wire or yarn to tie that knot. Then you have to turn the cloth inside out and it will look like this, something like a pouch, and you can use any type of fillings for this pumpkin, but I'm using bubble wraps and old pieces of cloth. Pillow fillings are perfectly fine. Use them if you have them. Make sure that you're using a lot of stuffings because this is a pumpkin and you have to make it look round and fluffy. So even if you're using pillow fillers, just use a lot of it, and even if you don't have them, use bubble wraps, plastics, or anything. Old piece of cloths will do. Then I am tying a knot at the upper portion with the help of a long piece of yarn. You need a long piece of yarn because as you can see I'm tying a knot at the back of the pumpkin as well, and then I am bringing it again towards the upper portion and basically tying the yarn like this gives the look of a pumpkin. Once you're done tying the yarn, you're just gonna need a little portion of a wooden branch and you're gonna attach it to the top of the pumpkin.
We could start over, but we can't. I don't want to, we can't, no we can't. I don't want to, I don't know we can't. I don't want to, 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 I don't want to.
For the banner, I am using a chart paper and cut out a rectangular piece of chart paper and cut a V at the end so that it looks like a banner. Then I have taken a wooden branch. You can take wooden towels as well. I am taking the paper like this and I am folding it around the branch and securing it with a clear tape. You can make it more colorful, more creative, more fall by using any type of prints, and I didn't have one so I just wrote welcome fall and I pasted it on the banner. Then with the help of an X-Acto knife, I have cut out holes along the V line. Now this portion, I don't know how to explain. Basically I am taking some yarn and I am folding them from the middle and then I am pulling them through the hole, and once it's halfway through I am taking the ends through the other portion, and I don't know how to explain this. I think you'll understand the video better than my explanation. Basically when the yarn is halfway through I am taking the other ends and passing it through the opposite end and it creates a knot. I don't know how to explain this, man. Shit. Then I repeated the whole procedure along the V line, and the yarn thing is optional. I just thought the yarn adds a boho look to the banner.
Damn, no, we can't go back. Damn, like a heart attack. Damn, missing what we had. Wish we could start over, but we can't. I don't want to, we can't, no, we can't. I don't want to, no, we can't. I don't want to, I don't want all that. I don't want to, I don't want to. I don't want to, I don't want to. I don't want to.
So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys liked the video. Like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel please. That will help me a lot. And yeah, see you in my next video.